అసిస్టెంట్ కమిషనర్ రామారావు గారు
Honorable Chief Guest Sri Respected Ramana Sir, Principal J.P. Nagar, today's special invitee Sri Sadagopan Sir, retired Deputy Competition meet. It gives us immense pleasure for getting this great opportunity to our children, staff and the principal, above all to our Vidyalaya. This is a competition which is conducted by Nova India Assembly Hyderabad region. Sir, our young children will be participating in this youth parliament, act as responsible MPs, cabinet ministers, state ministers, deputy ministers, speaker of the house, secretary general, prime minister, like as they Mr. Parliament. And next, I also request our principal sir to welcome our beloved. Sir, we are requesting you also to be a judge for this program. With great respect, I also request you to be a judge for this program. On behalf of, once again, on behalf of my students, staff members, on behalf of my beloved principal sir, Principal sir, come on to the dais sir. May I request our honorable chief guest.
Sri Hanuman Shinde, member of legislature, Honorable Assistant Commissioner Sri Ramarao, NVS Hyderabad, Honorable Sri Sadagopan Sir, retired Deputy Commissioner of NVS Hyderabad, the 17th Youth Parliament Program. But there are some lacunas. Of course, there is a need for improvement also. So you should not take it as a negative point. These are all my suggestions to all of you for the betterment, for improvement. So according to my observations, let me take up from the beginning. I feel the role of the opposition leader in this entire program is less. Generally, the role of the opposition leader will be more, but I feel the role of... One more thing. Lastly, she said, when the bill is passed, now the session is adjourned. The moment the session is adjourned, the speaker should not sit there. At least for time being, she has to go, and for this function once again she has to come back, because the session is adjourned. When the session is adjourned, the speaker is not supposed to sit in the chair. The speaker has to go, stand and go. And if requires, she can come back once again. These are all some of the minor lacunae. Congratulate once again all the participants who participated in this program. Thank you. Thanks to you.
Invited guests, faculty members, young parliamentarians, and dear children. Presenting themselves, excellent communications, and overall, it is an excellent 73th Parliament which took place in the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. I have come across in my 22 years of working in Navodaya Vidyalaya, I witnessed. But one nice thing I would like to tell you, the important areas of this belongingness to the education. I am sure the present day children will definitely please kindly take the help of all the opportunities which is given to you and come up in your life. Thank you.
Library Principal Sri M.V. Ramana and Sedagopan Sir, and dear fellow Principal, staff, children and press reporters, parents, invitees, and my dear children. Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all. Isn't it? Are you witness for the Parliament session, you know? Then the purpose of conducting youth parliament is we should know in democratic country how the decisions are being taken, who are involving, how the decision will be confirmed, like that, you know. You are all elected by his constituency people. He is the representative of his constituency. He is to take part in the assembly session. There, he is to raise questions on behalf of his people. He is elected by his constituency people. You are also, no? You are the representatives of your constituency. You are expressing the opinions, the demands, or the needs of, or involving in taking decisions. And how to Nirbhaya. Then you know about the food bill, Ahar Bhadrata bill. Like that, you know, elected, and you may be in the hearts of the people. Why Sar is taking care of his constituency? If he gives facilities to his constituency people, second time also Sar may be elected. Like that, he has to see the welfare of the people of his constituency. Like that, you know, you people should know. In that way, to make awareness, our Samiti privileged you. I really congratulate you. Why? You know, you are all don't mistaken, sir. Don't disappoint. This is the first time for you to act as a MP. You must overcome those shortcomings. Those things for the teacher also. Who trained them? The teacher also has to note down the points or shortcomings. What he has given the advices, what are to be followed in the session. Like that, this today's program is really successful since you are all from rural. They used to oppose, they used to behave wildly. They used to go to the speaker podium and object the speaker. It is not seen, but I am not again going to identify the shortcomings. We should not behave wildly as some of the MPs are behaving. I don't advise. There should be gentleness. There should be decency. There should be decorum. Since all over the world people are observing our parliament session, our character must be, some improvement is needed. Anyhow, today I really happy by seeing the right person as a chief guest. Sir is very much interested to take part in any program conducted by this Vidyalaya. I never heard such comments. He teaches for the entire program and he is going to share his views, what he felt, and some suggestions also he made, because he is a real person who is taking part in the assembly, state assembly. And the principal is very much appreciable, because with all pains he has taken to make this today's program grand success. No doubt it is a success only, but you don't lose your heart. Sir has given some advices, some suggestions. You should take as taking positive sense. Then you can learn the grand gala. And also to the staff of this Vidyalaya, whenever such programs are arranged by this Vidyalaya, the coordination, cooperation is seen. It is very much needed, that cooperation, coordination, we can very well see in this school. That is very much needed. The program started with a sweet music by music madam. Really, it's very nice. I want to thank you, madam, and the teachers, those who involved in the preparation of makeup and costumes for the girls acted as the member of parliament. I should not forget about my beloved brother and ex-deputy commissioner, because he will be there. My sincere thanks goes to them and the parents and the other entities, those who have come over, they will make this program grand success for the master.
And I am very happy to see the elders, Ramarao garu, Shekhar Rohan garu, and our Ramana sir, all the staff of this institution. The visitors and my followers, press and media persons, and students, and also youth parliament members. Good afternoon to you. Performed beautifully whichever work was assigned to you. The lapses of the members, either we need not take into consideration those lapses, but we must correct them to get some awards at national level. Treasury side should be patient and convincing, whereas whatever told by minister was accepted by opposition leaders, this should not be happened, and this will not happen in actuals. So these are all there, but my students performed very well. I am delighted to see a parliament like this. And I heartfully to the whole world. This is very important. Unfortunately, some ethics are not being maintained in state assemblies and also in parliament. It is unfortunate, but here the parliament in this way to go. So, finally, I want to congratulate and also I want to congratulate you all the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Our own children acting like MPs and ministers. Sir, you have spent a lot of time with us. We are grateful to you. And this is the time for felicitation. On behalf of our Vidyalaya children, I take this opportunity to thank our time with the momentum. I also request the Principal Sir to visit our meeting. I also request Principal Sir.
Very much indebted and grateful to the chief guest who accepted our invitation to be present in the program. In the midst of his busy schedule, Sir spent his precious time with us to enlighten and inspire. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, you have already said that this should be a real parliament. And it should not be a mock parliament. In mock parliament, real parliament, breaking of minds, showing the currency notes, and coming to the podium, and this thing will not be there. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your inspiring speeches. I also thank Sri R. Raman, good observations and good suggestions. Thank you, sir. And I am also very much thankful to Sri Soban Baba sir, our beloved principal sir, and he is the spirit of this youth parliament.
Jai